So this is pretty cool. This is a cordless electric spray gun. You can spray paint. This is going to save you a lot of time on your projects. I think I'm going to do a fence with it, but I'm just doing a little test here. And this works with Dewalt batteries. This is an off-brand Dewalt battery, but it is a Dewalt battery. So if you already have a bunch of Dewalt 20-volt batteries, this is something you want. And a couple cool features: 1,200 milliliters of storage in the tank. Comes with a bunch of different nozzles. They're super easy to change here. Super easy to clean. You can see how easy it is to get to the nozzles. You can switch which way it is. You can switch the shape on here, depending on if you want like a more like circle or like an oval look. It has trigger lock on it, and look how easy this will be to clean. Look at, you can just totally separate this thing and just wash this whole thing out so it'll stay good. Nice gasket on it. All right, let's try to get my dogs to move. Teddy bear, get out of here. Sophie, move. Teddy bear, move. And we'll go ahead and spray some. Look at that. Nice even coat. Oh, look how easily that goes on. That's pretty cool. Go ahead and change the shape. Think about how much time this would have take you. I almost sprayed this whole board already, and I'm just messing around. Yeah, that works great. Spray super smooth. It's coming out, not clumpy or anything. And this is some old crappy paint I was using just for this test, but you get the idea. You definitely want to get this if you have some projects and you like DIY. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.